shoot! I shouldn't be getting up this late. I shouldn't be getting set up this late. Damn it. Where's Stream Elements? There it is. Okay. Media. Ba-da-dun-dun. Oh my god! Lost media? I don't know. I'm being completely nonsensical and silly. God, Pizza Tower is such a fun music game. Okay, so how do I do this? And I do this. Oh. There we go! Yes, sir! Can you hear that? I hope you can hear that. Yes, you can! Hey, it's working! Everything's working! Yes! Is there a way I can... Hold on, wait. I want to see something. Alright, I'm going to text in chat just for a second, just to see if this works. Ah, I see it now. Yeah, never mind. I was curious about something. Specifically with chat, I was wondering if something was working. Ew. Yeah, no, I don't like that. Yeah, get rid of that. Save, make sure I didn't mess anything up. Alright, whatever. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be programming right now today. I still want to continue with the battles system stuff, but at the same time, I feel like I have some work to do with it, you know? Like, I don't know specifically what I want to do with it, but I know I know it needs work. I know it needs to look good. I know specifically I need to make it so that the menus actually menu properly. But yeah. You know what I could do, actually? Hold on, here's what I'm gonna do. Where's that, like, A-Sprite window? There we go. Okay, so now you can see my YouTube, so that way it doesn't, like... I can minimize this, too. I can make this smaller, so that way you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. Sean Spalding! Oh, god damn it. I forgot I have that on.
Hello everyone, I'm Sean Spalding, and I've been making Gamemaker tutorials on YouTube
yes,
for
thank
about
you. Thank you,
5
Sean
years
Spalding.
now.
Thank you. Sean Spalding is a genius. Never... If you're trying to learn from me, learn from him instead. He'll get you to where you need to go. He will do way better stuff than I could ever do, honestly. Turn-based battles, what is this one? I wish I could see... I wish I could hover over a specific part of the video and then be like, yeah, that's the right part. subtext. Drawing
So today we're
stats.
gonna
Okay,
focus on
mute. I don't need this. I don't need this. Draw event, draw list. And that's the way he draws all of that. Battle state flow. Which I think I got to this part. I love how Ralsei is just sitting in front of the video. That's great. And then there's no floating text menus. Oh no, floating text is the damage indicators. I get it. Honestly, that would probably be good to know how to do, but for now, I'm just going to leave it alone. Death animations is probably fine. Dun, dun, bow, bow, ba-dun, dun, down, down, down. AI scripting. Wait, what? Okay, so no, that shows them randomly attacking. Which I also kind of need to figure out, but that's not what I'm trying to do right now. Menus. Okay, hold on, what is he saying here?
Select actions for our characters. So first, it's in the battle system, of course, as it will let each menu
In the battle
have
system.
its own arbitrary function. You could use this for any menu in your game, really. The options will be provided as an array of arrays, with each array in the array being an individual option with a function and any arguments needed for that function. There's also a fourth entry I forgot to include here for an available boolean. That is true if the option should be allowed to be selected, or false if it should be shown but grayed out. On reflection, this would have been better and easier to follow using structs within an array, but I wouldn't change something like that now if you're following along, as it might make following the rest extremely difficult. I just pointed out for educational purposes.
Whoa, battle gets a true hero.
As we get further in. So the first thing this function does, options max, wide. Then we want to handle for the next. Well, let's execute.
Okay.
What this gives, the option happens. We can and press M will hook. Oh, I screwed up. Turns out I wrote width wrongly in the menu function. Easy mistake. I would normally scream with rage at this point and begin recording the whole visual steps of the video again from scratch, but this time I'm leaving it in because 1, I can't face typing all this out again, and 2, it's educational. You see, it's very common and easy to make mistakes. So don't be surprised if this happens to you. I'm sorry if I'm not more helpful in the comments. It's just hard to always diagnose everyone's issues, as it's hard to predict exactly what you might have done and so on. Anyway, congratulations for making it through this one. You're basically committed now, right? The next few are likely to be similarly intense, but really this is the bulk of the system.
So that shows him choosing the actions, selecting actions.
Okay, so now that we can summon a menu wherever we want, with whatever contents and functions we want, let's use it with our characters. To do that, we're going to compile action belongs to the magic submenu, and isn't a top-level action the way attack is. We'll have to go to a submenu called magic to find this action. We have an MP cost, though this isn't actually leveraged yet, we'll add that kind of thing later. The user animation is cast. I only actually made this animation for Questy, but remember, if an animation isn't defined for the unit using an action, for Lulu we'll add the attack action, and for Questy we'll add the attack and ice actions. A reminder...
Okay. Attack... Okay.
That we're only covering the map. We're going to ramp up into and sub. We'll start a for loop where we iterate over that array of actions, called name and count, but for now that can just equal the action name. If this action has a submenu of -1, then it's a top-level action like...
Okay, and then the second thing that I want to check, just to see how it works specifically, is if I search up, like, Deltarune Battle. Thank you, Isabel. I hope that's not crazy loud. Shut up. Okay, I don't need any music. Da-da-da-da-da-do. Okay. So they're all defending. Okay, this is not as dynamic a battle as I thought it would be. This. This is good. This is the one I'm looking for. Okay. Sure, it's just heavenly. Did I miss something? Okay, act. And then Deltarune battle mechanics, great. Is this a no-hit? This is no-hit. I don't want no-hit. I want, like, an actual battle. Where people might die. Deltarune... Shoot, who would have played through this? Did Jacksepticeye ever play through Chapter 2? I guess he did, yeah. When did he fight Spam Tong? Did he fight Spam Tong here? No, he fought Queen there. Wait, what? Is this out of order? Yeah, it is. Oh my, part 2, 3, 5 end. That's not how that works. Okay. And this playlist was made by him. This is a horrible playlist, man. This is horrible. What are you doing, man? Okay, know what? No, not Jacksepticeye. Who am I looking for? Where's like another battle thing? Whatever. Just screw Deltarune. Screw Deltarune. Actually, what's another battle game? Paper Mario. Just look up Paper Mario. Paper Mario. 1,000-Year Door battle. Not the battle gameplay. Jesus Christ. How much do I need? What is even happening there? Zebra Gamer. Okay, cool. Get into a battle. Get into a battle. Come on, man. You struck first. Cool. Bonk. Oh, 0 damage. Okay, so that's good. I kind of understand how the gameplay goes there. I do still need that. God, I'm gonna turn off Isabel. I'm sorry, Isabel. I'm sorry. You can stop for now. Deltarune battle gameplay. Where's like a battle, secret boss fight, rookie key repair, boss. Okay. And Ralsei's dead. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This one is way better than the other video. In terms of like a reference material for like how to do this shit, it is so much better. Okay, I missed everything. There's like the text, and then he selects a thing, and he gets to select down there. And select whatever ally. Then it goes back. Interesting. Okay. Sure. Okay. So wait, what is this? Enemy encounter. I can close this. This is the code for the actual battle itself. And then this is the code to draw the battle. Right, okay. So just to remember where I left off from last time, this as like a VOD will not get any views, which is fine. How did I... arrow keys, right, okay. Okay. So wait, where is the buttons? VK up or VK right? You know what? I'm not even gonna copy paste. You know what I could do here? Option selected. Mod 3. This should do the same exact thing, right? I'm pretty sure this should do the same exact thing. I know it'll move by 2 now, but it should do the exact same thing. Okay. Ord. W. Ord D. Ord A. S. And that should work. Coming undone. Never start, you'll never have to be done. Okay, so it works going up. It does not work going back down. Which is strange. What do I have a option selected menu? Is there, what is the thing I did for the draw? That'll draw script. J. First menu amount. First menu amount. That should be a thing. First menu amount equals 3. If option selected is less than or equal to 0, option selected equals first menu, or option, what is it, menu? First menu amount. And this. Okay, copy that. Go to code, battle draw script, first menu amount. Oh no, because I set it to a variable. Damn it. That's better. Now try it. Okay. It does seem to work. Oh, they killed themselves. Perfect. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Or hold on, wait. I'm resetting it there. I didn't think they'd kill themselves that fast, honestly. That sounds wrong. Huh. Okay, so here's what I'm going to try. First thing I need to check is if I go into rooms, I go into new room final, because that's the good one. Instances, copy the bird, place a second copy right there, and then go to run. And I assure you, the HP will not be saved between fights. So, like, I attack myself, I attack myself, I attack myself, I attack myself. Birds, dead. And then I go to this one, and I'm back at 100 HP. Which is not how it's supposed to be. Okay, so if I go to Battle Draw Script and I go to HP... Care is equal to party unit HP. And so then if I go to here, party unit defend global dot party is equal to party unit. Would that work? I don't think that would work. That sounds wrong. Okay, attack, attack, attack. Both are dead. Yep, okay, that figures. So anyway, where do I make my party? I make it in O game, right? O player, O camera. O game party is equal to global.characters.player, global.characters.player. So anyway, party unit. Oh, I get it, okay. var struct. Battle state victory check. Okay, so this progresses the battle, and this ends it. So I first need to go to how many party unit num. I is less than that. I plus plus. Oh, hold on. I need to put var to make sure it knows. Var I is equal to 0. I is less than party number, party unit number. I plus plus. Global dot party. I dot HP is equal to party units. Okay, hopefully this works. Okay, attack! Attack! Kill the bird! Bird killed itself. And that keeps the HP, which is good. And then if I go to here... Oh, wait, not in there. A code... I need to go to a completely separate script in... Text box scripts? No. Text box scripts? No, game text. Game text. Full screen this. Save. Yes, your game has been saved. Save game. Global.party. Array length. Global.party. For var I equals 0, I is less than array length. I plus plus. Global.party I.hp is equal to global.party I.hp max. And I'm pretty sure that should work. Okay, so this 91, 89, 89, 89. That's not right. E. Game has been saved. Okay, so that at least reset the health, which is good. Okay, so 80, 78, 79. 79, 79, that's wrong, that's wrong. Okay. So, it has to be something here. Battle state victory check. If enemies are dead... What? Why is this like this? This is strange. This is very strange. Because... Run this, or debug it, debug it. Run this. Oh, hey, Burn Ashtray. I'm back to trying to figure this stuff out again. It's very strange what I'm currently coming across. Okay. You know what? Hold on. I'm gonna minimize this. How do I... I'm currently trying to make a battle system. It's not... It's going okay, currently. But it could be going better. It could for sure be going better. Okay, so in here, I have... I is the first thing I should do. I is 0. Global.party, which is an array, which in that array is player 1, player 2. Mordecai is in focus. Why? Because technically, as a placeholder fight NPC thing, I put Mordecai there. I technically have been killing him. It won't be like that forever, but for testing purposes, he's what I'm killing. I could have made it something else, but like, that's just one of the... Yep, no. I'm sorry, man. Party unit. And then this is player. And then this is player. And what does it say the HP of each is? 91 and 90. Okay, so which one is it going to set first? It should 0, 1, 0, 1. Your poor bird? Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I'm so confused as to why this is happening. If you look like at the bottom right around my head, you can see HP 90 and HP 91 there. And then this is supposed to overwrite these values so then it can be saved for the next battle. So HP 100, HP 100. Okay, thank you, Ralse. You can move out of the way, Ralse, please. Thank you. Get out of here. So... if it's 90 and 91, the first one is 91, which means it should be set to here. So if I step into function call, HP is 91. Both get set to 91. But that doesn't make any sense. Why do both get set to 91? I have it as global party I.HP, which I means the first one only, not the second one. I'm gonna move this again. Just a little bit. Global party I... it takes whichever number it is, 0. Why does it write over both? YouTube tutorial? Technically, yes. There is a YouTube tutorial that I was watching, but I'm also trying to deviate from it a little bit. I don't want to just be going off the YouTube tutorial. Yeah, I had some references here. There's this one by Sean Spalding, which he's really good when it comes to this shit, but I don't know. I don't want to just make what he's making, though. I want to kind of deviate, make my own thing, but I'm using his as like a general reference for what I want to do, if that makes sense. Global Party I Huh. And, like, it says it's an array. Also, I got a new microwave because the last one started role-playing as Thor. That doesn't sound good. What the hell happened there? It started role-playing as Thor? God of Thunder? God of Lightning? I mean, I hope everyone in your house is okay. Like, that sounds wild. That does not sound too hot. I don't know, man. I was just trying to heat up some tacos. Real, honestly. Yeah, and then it destroys it. Why does it, like... Huh. You know what I need to make? If I'm gonna make there be, like, multiple characters or whatever, I need to make, like, a second character. So that's not just the one. It's not just her. Hmm. Bow, bow, bow. Also, how was the FNAF stream? I didn't get to watch, sadly, because my mom took us out. Ah, that sucks. But, yeah, it was pretty good. I didn't just play, FNAF 2 or whatever. I also played, Roblox FNAF Reimagined, I think? Well, I don't remember what it was called. What was it called? Yeah, I'd need to look it up, but... Or actually, maybe I could just find it. Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Reimagined. That's what it was called. Still, yeah, Jordan and Marcus were there. Both of them. We had a pretty good time. Gosh. I also was, like, super tired after that stream. I streamed for, like, 5 hours, I think. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I got caught off guard by something. Why? Why? This makes absolutely no sense. If the enemies are dead, for each element in the array, assign that element to each element in the global party. It doesn't make any sense as to why it's acting like that. It shouldn't act like that. You know what, hold on. I think I have an idea. And this is like the default idea that it should happen every time. Close, reopen. That should fix it, right? Question mark, question mark, question mark. That's not it. There we go. Okay. Gamemaker's back open. Streamer prototype. Yeah, cool. Sure. Whatever. Go to code, create. Scroll all the way down to here. Play. Run around. Go down to here. Attack, attack. 94, 96, 89, 92. 92, 92. Why? That makes no sense. It should just be the HP. It shouldn't assign it to both of the party things. It should just assign it to the one. Oh, how, why? Why? This is so annoying. Global party. Okay, hold on, wait. Where is it made? Where is the party made? Global.party, and then it's an array. Global.characters player is instance 1. Maybe it's because it's the same... Maybe because it's the same character, actually. Hold on, wait. Where's macros? Macros, global.characters, player, character 2, name Lamau. And then HP max will be 150, HP will start at 50 just to make sure that all that's working fine. Character 2. Now try this. Okay, so it works there. Lamau. 89. Okay, so that works. So it's just because it was the same character. So then if I go to here... Thank you. Quit to title, load game, question mark, question mark. And now they're both at 100. Good. That's working! Somewhat. I'm sure if I were to go to... Let's see. Oh, wait. Load the game. Load the game first. Real quick. Load game... Bridge. Bridge is the room. Let me go to rooms. Bridge. Instances, assets. Oh, bird. Let me try this. So I attack here 95, 44, 90, 38. Yep, it doesn't reset it. Even though technically this is the same as, like, loading it. I also don't think I needed that other room. Actually, hold on, let me reopen bridge. Get rid of the bird. Delete all. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be right back. I need to go do something real quick, because something's happening. I'll be right back. God fishing! I'll keep the music on. Oh. Am I back? Sorry, I'm back. Ugh. Sorry about that. Ugh. Okay. I'm back. I should be good. I can take off the gone fishing. I'm not fishing anymore. Ugh. Why is it still broken? Why does it, like, write to there? Because... You know what I should do? Where's the load function? Save load. Load game. Global dot. You haven't a clue of what's going on? That's fine. I wish I knew how to, like, be better with I'm not gonna say interacting with people, but just knowing what, like, being able to talk at the same time that I'm doing something. Because, like, I can understand that a lot of this goes over people's heads, like... Okay, so now if I try this... Global party equals that. So now if I attack 100, 50, 89, 39, they're both dead, quit to title, load game. So I didn't save, it didn't reset it. Okay, so basically, there's this in here, right? Global.characters. And these are the two characters I have. I have the player character, and then I have a second character that is essentially a copy of the player character just to test out. And so here, I am trying to assign the characters to the global party, so that way when you get into a fight, you can see the characters in the battle. And I'm trying to make it so that every time you load the game, their health is reset back to their max. So it should never be that they're, like, super low on health or whatever. It should be that they're all the way back at full. But, for whatever reason, when I load between the games... So, like, here, I am literally pressing New Game, Save 1. That health being at 50 is intended. But this one, 100, right now it's at 91. Remember the number 91. If I go quit to title, New Game, and again, it's a new game, why is my health at 91? It should be at 100. That's the issue I'm trying to fix right now. The reason I think that's happening is because in here, in macros, I am basically setting the party... I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I wish I did know. Maybe it's a memory issue and it has to, like, fully reset and forget the progress. Maybe. Actually, hold on. Where is, not Draw GUI. Is it in... I don't think it would be in Draw GUI. Where's my pause game stuff? Pause menu draw script. If game paused... Switch pause menu. Okay, so this is if the game is paused. It runs these functions. Game reset should just reset everything in the game. That's weird. So game restart should just completely reset the values. But for whatever reason, it doesn't. It keeps global.characters. That is weird. Okay, it's good. Huh. Like, I don't know how to make it completely forget the progress, because in here, this is supposed to be set at the beginning of every game. But for whatever reason, it isn't being set. What if I cut... No, because I don't want to cut it. You know what? Hold on. Here's an idea. Cut this. Go into create script, set party data. So then at the beginning, it will set the party data every time to all of this. And that way I also don't have it being kept in macros, which is good, because macros is not meant to house that. So this should set that. So then if I go into OGame create, save load, I can get rid of this, I think. Although I should have that there at some point instead of in here. First thing I should do... Oh, hold on. I did set A. Set A party data. Set party data. Just to make sure in here... Yeah, it says set A party data. Get it out of there. Set party data. Although I do want to get that lowercase. I don't like it when it's uppercase. Okay. So now I should be able to try this and it should work, right? Right? Question mark? 9646, 9141. 100. Okay, good. It's resetting it. That's exactly what I wanted. And then I can talk to the frog. And then that resets my health. 100, 150. Good, good. Talk to the frog. Quit to title. New game. Good. Die, I guess. Alright, and then quit game. So that's working now. That's working. I fixed it. Yay. Really dumb, weird issue there. Okay, so what do I do next? Smart Gen Alpha, Garrett? Yeah. Really smart. Really smart. Big brain. Massive brain. Where? Okay. So that is the end of the battle. I could do, like, some fancy animation or something. Big goober brain? Okay. There's a bit of gooberness in there, but, like, you don't have to say it. You don't have to say it. Big goofy goober. Big goober. Goober. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. That can stay like that, and that works. So now I actually need to make it so that you can choose whatever you're trying to choose. Like the AI will choose to attack you instead of just attacking whoever. So if I pull this up, this is my little video that I was using. Where's like the AI scripting?
Congratulations on reaching.
Okay, yeah. I can just kind of skim through. Enemies global.actionlibrary.attack is in their actions. You know, I wish I could have like a minimized. I wish I could have 3 windows. One for like the YouTube window, one for my game stuff, and then one for OBS. Because just having this is really distracting. I can't like flip between the things as easily. You know what? Hold on. How does that look? That looks fine on my end. That way I can see both. But for you guys, it will just look weird, which is fine. I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it. I'm able to work with this. So in here, strength, name bird, HP max, attack, defense. I don't want MP. Strength. I don't know. Temp defense. BRB, Goober. Don't call me Goober. Actions. Global.action library. .attack. And that's good for now. Oh, hold on, wait, there's no comma there. There we go, let's fix that. AI script function. Okay, and then it goes var action equals actions 0. Possible targets equals array filter o battle dot party units function unit index. Return unit dot HP is greater than 0. Var underscore target equals possible targets I random array length and then out of the possible targets you can choose one of them. Use another parenthesis, I know how this works. Return underscore action underscore target. And then here... no. Not that. Okay, if underscore unit dot object index equals O battle characters. Then do this, else begin action var enemy action equals underscore unit dot AI script if underscore enemy action is not equal to -1, then begin action unit ID enemy action 0. Enemy action 1. Play. It broke. Okay, so it's something in here. Right? Wait, what? Line 56. Okay. So I guess I should keep this before that, because the characters will reference the attacks. Any action. Okay, so that worked. This will attack. Enter, enter. Bonk, bonk. And then it ends because there's no more possible targets. Okay, so there's game restart. What if I go into here, create battle state victory check. If enemy is dead, else battle state turn progression, no. Game restart. That way it doesn't break everything. What? Oh. Okay, var character is dead. Copy. Paste. Character's dead. Then here, I don't need this. I just need this. And then array length. What did I name it? God damn it. Every time. Party unit. I really needed to... Why did I make it party unit and not units? That's really silly. Really silly of me. Still not working. Weird how that happens. Oh, else if... Oh, hold on, wait, I see it now. I see the issue that I have created for myself. Else if character is dead. Then else, battle state turn progression. And this should work. Did I just break it? What? What happened? Okay, I'm not sure what just happened. Enter, enter. What happens if I kill myself? Alright, there's one dead. Then it brings me back to the menu! Yay! It works! It works. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, another thing I could do. Background type. Region characters, hashtag end region. Hashtag, region background. Shoot. Hashtag region background. I should also... There is an order to these things. Hashtag region. UI. UI is the region. So then I can minimize and maximize things. This is perfect. No, alright, what happens if I do this? Oh, because I didn't type in end region. Heh! It's really silly, actually. There we go. Now I can organize this, and it doesn't have to be as lengthy. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking to do. So now I can play this. Enter, 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 enter. They are definitely damaging me. It's just they are not damaging me that much to where you can actually tell that shit's damaging me. Good. Okay. So what can I minimize? I don't need the battle state victory check yet. Battle state turn progression should never be changed. Battle state perform action. I probably will need that at some point. Begin action. I don't need this currently. I just need battle state action. Or battle state select action. Hmm. Hmm. Something funny? Oh man, you really got me. You really got me. Oh my god. Oh, that was hilarious. Okay, if keyboard check VK enter or keyboard check pressed, I'm gonna do also VK space. Bump. And then it goes into there. I am slowly killing myself. How do I make it so that the characters don't just kill themselves? They actually choose an enemy. Set party data. It's in actions, right? Or no, it wouldn't be in actions. It would be in party data, right? Yes. And then it's this function going to create attack, paste this, action, okay, I'm confused on that, but whatever. Action underscore target. Actually, I can probably just do target, right? Underscore target. Possible targets. Yeah, that makes sense. Underscore action. Wait, where? There. Oh, because it's returning. Try that on for size. Oh, something funnier. Dude, you need to stop. You need to stop. You're saying too many things, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. That shit's wild, actually. Okay. That should be good. Because I was attacking my other selves. I was attacking my shadow clones. And now... it's working. I can kill the birds. Defend, defend. Ooh. Okay, so that's not good. Hmm. This one, if I go to actions... if temp defense is equal to 0, then it does that. Oh, divided by 2, I'm setting... oh my god. Okay, I get it, I get it, I get it. HP... okay, okay, this needs to be divided by 2. Oh my god. No wonder that, like, made no sense. Okay, defend. Defend. Okay. Defend. Attack. Defend. Attack. Okay, I don't know. But it is at least working. It's working somewhat. You know what? Hold on. Here's what I can do. Get rid of the attacks on library. Go over to here. I'm going to put this back at like 100, 100. You know what? No, I will do 150, 150. And then their attack and defense will be 10. So if I press play, it should be like kind of equal opportunity to kill them as they can kill me. So if I go attack, attack, or not, what? Why does the player do so much damage to them? That's crazy. Oh, because their HP is 5. Oh. You know what? Yeah, put their HP at 50. What am I doing? What? Okay. Attack. Attack. Now that doesn't kill them instantly. 90... how much does one attack do to me? Four damage-ish? Four damage-ish? Three, or... I'd say an average of 3. An average of 3. That's what I'd say. That's what it kind of sounds like to me. Average of 3. average of 3 damage. So that's good. So now it chooses a random enemy. Am I able to make it not choose a random enemy? That would mean that I'd have to do submenus, which is fine. It's just difficult. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. First menu selection equals 1. Menu equals 0. Where else does it say menu? Where else does it say menu? Okay, it also goes into there, which is kind of what I expected. Battle state, destroy, save low. Oh shoot, I'm going into different places. I think I can also get rid of these. I don't think I need those. Menu. Menu. Just first menu amount. Okay. So that's for the amount of party members I have. Draw sprite stretched. And then I need to draw text. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, so what is the text? The fight begins, text bar string, the fight begins. Text bar string. Draw set alpha, and then it should just be 1. Or no, C white, actually. C white. Draw text at... 384 minus 64 plus 8. 5112 plus 8. Is that right? Probably not. That's not right. Oh my, what is even happening here? Draw sprite stretched. Sprite sum image. X, Y. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I get it now. 8. 384 minus 64 plus 8. FAA top. Top left. The fight begins! That's good. That's good. Okay. So then if I go into... Not battle draw script. Battle... God, it's so weird navigating this. Begin action. Text bar string equals... unit.id, or hold on, not unit.id, unit.name? What did I set party data? Yeah, it should just be name. Underscore unit name. Plus attacked plus target dot name. Right? Player attack bird. Lamau attack bird. That's good. Bum, 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 bum. Enemy action 1. And then it should be enemy action 0. Return How is this malformed? It's not malformed. That's very strange. What if I just tried doing... Oh wait, I return unit AI script. Let me go to there. Set party data, AI script, return action target, attacks. How is it malformed? I also think I can get rid of that. That's fine. Enemy action 2. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Hold on, wait. I think I figured it out. So now if I run it, attack, bird attacks player. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay, so what else do I do here? Where's that at? What? I guess it's elements too. Shoot. Okay. Fine. Okay. So the fights are okay. I now want to try and make it so that I can choose which enemy I'd attack. So instead of it just going like, hey, you're about to attack this guy, or no, not that. Just instead of making it so that it's attacking someone randomly, I want to make it so that it goes back a menu. Menu, just to make sure. Okay, switch option selected. Oh wait, no. Switch menu. No, because default equals all of this, and then break. But in case it's 0, option selected. No, I didn't want to run it. Good. It's not running it. First menu. First menu selection? First menu selection. Okay, good. And then just to make sure that this still works, new game, space. Both work. That's good. That's good. That is really good. Ah. What? No idea what just happened. Yeah, well, whatever. Oh, hey, Burn Ash, right? I've got a little text going on in the bottom. That's kind of what I've been trying to figure out. I did get those save issues fixed as well, which is great. What else? Currently, I'm trying to make it so that there's menus, so that right now, when you attack, you just attack a random enemy. So, like, there's two birds. You can basically, it'll just choose automatically between the two birds. What I'm trying to make it do right now is make it so that you can choose which bird to attack. Like, currently, I have it where you have the menu that you're in, which as a base thing, 0 is just like, you haven't chosen whatever you're going to do. You don't know if you're going to attack, defend, use an item, whatever. If it's 0, it will do this. If it's any other one, though, it'll do this. Which actually, I should just make it this. Copy. Paste. Oh, shoot, I put it after the break. There we go, okay. God, where's my mouse going? My mouse just disappears sometimes, and it's so annoying. Attack. I should bring it to attack menu. So menu 0. Base. If these are pressed, if VK enter VK space, it will choose these actions. If keyboard check, or no, if this is 0, so this should not change. Attack should bring you, or hold on, I also changed the case number. Base menu. Case attack. Switch option selected. So then I can draw menu. Oh, wait. No, yeah, that's right. So I don't have to go through all that. Menu equals attack. Option selected equals, I'm going to say 0. in case here, if keyboard check pressed shift. Okay, that's not how you spell shift. You do not spell shift with a CH. Menu equals base. Option selected equals 1. That looks like it should work. I don't know if it will, though. Okay, bird. Attack. Oh, because shift. Oh, I get it. VK shift. There we go. For the shift key, it's not just trying to look at whatever is named shift, it's looking at the shift key. Hmm. Can you believe this? You as I said, run through my head. Not if option selected equals J. What is the thing called? First menu selection. If first menu selection is equal to J. So that way if I go to here, it still changes. Brings me back into here. Can't move it. I'm a little confused as to how this is working, but it is working. Somewhat. Okay. And then here, just to make sure it gets set back, because that's how it should work. Attack, attack, defend, attack, I have no idea how to make it work. Okay. Case attack. If the option selected is less than or equal to 0, then it shouldn't be that. I have my array of enemies, which is enemy units. Is equal to array length enemy units. No, enemy units. Which it should just be 2 enemy units. Case 1 attack. Global action library attack. Array length. Or not array length. Enemy units 1. Or actually 0, I guess. Enemy selected equals, or var enemy selected. Enemy selected. Or, you know what, I could just do target. Target would be simpler. Okay, try this. Oh, because I can't do case default. It just has to be default. Gotcha, okay. Okay. Space. Index 2, out of range? -2, I guess? I don't know. What? Ah! Then this should work. Okay, am I getting rid of the bottom one on both sides? I guess I am. It does take the same, like, length, I guess. Yes, I would love to save. Okay. So now I need to make it visualized. If menu is not equal to base, and draw this. If menu or switch menu case attack draw text for where does it put them at? Wait, hold on, wait, what? I guess it just defaults there. Okay. Enemy units. Interesting. For and it, var I equals 0, I plus plus, or hold on, wait, I less than array length enemy units I plus plus draw text and I'll also do a break. Draw text plus 8 times I plus 1, because if it's at 0 first, plus I times how do I calculate the height of a string? String height Gamemaker. String underscore height. Okay. And then the string height should be string height should be equal to underscore or enemy units I dot HP or dot name, because it is the name. And play. New game. Alright, so that works. I think. I hope it works. And I can draw rectangles for their health. Draw colors! Yay! I love drawing colors. Var HP, HP ratio. Need to recalculate that. The enemy and then their HP bar. C enemy. Var C enemy equals any enemy units I. C enemy then HP width I'll say is like 20. Because it doesn't need to be that long. Calculate width, which I probably will never need this, but for the array, string var underscore longest width equals 0 if string width of C enemy dot name is greater than longest width, then longest width is equal to string width CNAME. So just to try it again. Okay, whatever. A bar does not matter. Okay, you know what? Hold on, wait. Go into here. Debug. Space. run this. I have that. I can just play. Yeah, okay, there we go. Fixed it. Okay. So now it's back in here. And if I calculate C enemy dot name or string height underscore C enemy dot name, that's equal to 14. And the entire box at the bottom is equal to 64. So 64 minus 14 minus 14 minus 14 minus 14. It should be able... Okay, hold on. Minus 8, minus 8, minus 14, minus another 8, minus 14, minus 8. That should be able to fit 3 in there, right? But for whatever reason, it's not. That is strange. Why is that like that? Hmm. Why is all of this weird? $350. $350 and $372. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just print screen, and then I'm gonna copy this. Copy it, go into paint.net. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, paste this. So wait, how big are these pixels? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So each pixel is 2 pixels. So I should be able to just like... So what do I have here? 149 by 128. It should go down to 64, right? Alright, and then I can crop this. So then I can observe how exactly this is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's good. But then this isn't 14. This is 22. Oh wait, no, it is 14. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to close this. So, draw text every 9. Or times 2 plus 9. That's a 2 again. Shit. I keep on pressing the wrong keys. Let me try this. And then try this. Okay, so wait. Let me try and decide this. I need like a checkerboard pattern background. Where's like pink? You know what? I'll make it pink. Okay. And then I can do this, bring the opacity down to like 40. Bow, bow. Okay, so this is 14. And so if I bring this one up by that much... Bow, 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 ba-da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how I can fit like the maximum amount. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so wait. So this is 12. So that would be 14. So where does it draw? It starts drawing at 8. So that is the initial point in the top right, plus 8. Plus 2. Times I plus 1, because I starts at 0, and you don't want it to add that plus 2 right at the beginning. Plus I times string height C enemy name. So the string height should be 14. C enemy name. Is that 2 though? No, that's 3. Three should be the right value. Okay, that's good. You know what? I'll make each HP bar equal to like 100 in length. And also, I think it should be more than 8. That way you can see what you're selecting. Plus offset. Options. Offset. If menu is not equal to base. Else. Options. Offset. How many? God damn it. You know what? Whatever. I don't need that. I don't need it. Equals 20. Sprites. Do I have a UI sprite for that? I have SOP Arrow. SOP Arrow is good. Which, how big is it? I don't need it. The words of someone with an addiction? No! I mean... No! I'm gonna rename this to SOP Arrow, odd. And then I'll create duplicate to SOP Arrow even. Or know what? No, I don't. I'll undo that. I think I can deal with what I've got. I shouldn't have to make a entirely separate sprite just to make. So I just realized the bird's still on the screen. It's just been chilling out there. It's kind of funny. So I have the rectangles. Those can be offset. Offset plus. Offset. Yeah, the programming streams, I imagine, are not as funny or insightful. Okay, so now those are offset. Are the health bars offset too? They don't look offset. They are. That's good. Then HP width 100. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Bum 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 bum. You know what? I'll make the health bars invisible for now. I will work on those in like a second. If I equals option selected, then sprite draw shoot. How do I draw sprite? I did that backwards. SOP arrow 0 should just be this, honestly. Does that work? Oh no, because it needs the sub-image, which is 0. Yeah, okay, and then that works. Let's see if this overall works. Okay. I can see something happening. Let me try just 8. I -1 equals option selected. It drew it for like a second. Option selected -1? Okay. That is not correct. Let me try this. Bluebird 2. So that way I have 2 bird 1, bird 2. And then when I go into the bird's object, so when it collides with a player, make an encounter bluebird 2. Bird 1, bird 2. Okay. Option selected equals 0, though. Which is why I'm so weirded out by that. Oh! Because then it automatically sets to 2. Okay. I get it now. I get it now. I am figuring it out. So now it's working. I just need to figure out how to center it properly. Offset plus 5, because the sprite is 5 pixels wide. You know what? I could probably just do like 10 or something. $12? I'll do 12. And then the Y plus 8, and then it's 5 by 5 plus 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Or 14 minus 5, which is 9 divided by 2 equals 4.5. I'll do 4, maybe? Maybe I should go for 3 instead. Bird 2. Bird 2. Bird 2. Bird 2. Bird 2. Bird 1. Yes, the UI is working nicely. And it's not because I'm being a stupid. Haha. No stupids here. Okay, so now I need to figure out where I'm drawing the rectangle to and from, which is difficult. So first I figured out longest. You know what? I don't think I even need that. I don't think I even need that. Oh. What if I did that? Yep, that fixed it completely. Okay, good, good. And then for each enemy, I need to draw their health bar, which will be 100 away from the right, 200 to 100. I think that checks out. Okay, so this is +1 +0 +1 +0. What? Whatever, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. God damn it. Okay. So draw a rectangle. It needs to be... what is the max size of the screen? Res W. What is resolution width? Ba-da-bum-bow. So 512. 512 minus 200. 512 minus 100. That sounds right to me. And I can't think of any reason why that would be incorrect. But knowing this, it will be incorrect in some way. So, c'est la vie, I guess, you know. Okay, I'm gonna draw. Okay. Ooh. Oh, because I never set back to white. That makes sense. Okay. White. And then I can redraw the rectangle. You know what I'll do? I'll do 100... 100... 200... 200. See where that gets me. The dimensions are always weird. Set party data. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put them both as birds with a Y in their name. So that way I can test it better. I'll put it at like 10. Or no, I'll put it at like 20. 2020. 2200, sure. It appears to completely cover it. Draw set color black. Oh, because that's drawn first. Shit. Damn it! Stop fighting! That looks like it lines up perfectly. Okay, so based off of that, whatever is lower and on the right should be subtracted by 1. Whatever is lower and to the right should be subtracted by 1. Okay, that's good. And then whatever is higher and left should have 1 added to it. And then that should be good. And so those work. Great. Great. Okay. That is good. And then how do I, HP width? $200 minus 1. 180. So this 180 minus 1 needs to be multiplied by where did I draw that at? HP ratio times HP width. HP HP ratio. Is it times or no? It would be times. HP width. So off the start, it shouldn't look that different. Okay. That worked! So now I just have to shift everything over by, like, whatever offset I have. So, underscore HP offset. Underscore HP offset. Underscore HP offset. Resolution width minus HP width minus offset. Hi, Indie Man. How's it going? For me, it's going pretty good. I am trying to program a battle system. It's taken a bit, though. I think it's the second stream on this. I'm trying to make like a RPG a la like Undertale or something. I don't know. As you can see, I've got like attack stats. You can see health bars, whatever. These are subject to change currently, but I still think it looks pretty good. I also have this save. There's not much sound or music in the game yet. I think the only sound is when I communicate with this frog to save, it like rivets or whatever. But past that, what I've kind of got here that you've seen so far is what I've got. I honestly think this will take me like another couple of years. It's going kind of smoothly. How long have I been working on this for? I know there's a wake and tell. Game options? Is it in there? No. Where is it at? I don't know. I know you can tell somewhere. Output? No. Game options? Oh. Project use time. 4 days, 16 hours. Okay, so it's not too long yet. But it's still kind of a bit. Alright, and then O-Game. I think I can close O-Game. I'm probably going to need it in like the next 5 minutes now that I've closed it, but whatever. I really didn't have any plans for the stream other than just to program this and make it look nicer. Because, like, look at this. This is really long statement. Don't need it to be that long. Yeah, pretty much. Right now, I pretty much just finished implementing basic attacks. Technically, defending works. If I press defend, it does defend, but like it doesn't have a feedback thing. You know what? Since I just mentioned it, and that's pretty easy to do, I can do that real quick. Text bar string. Go to here. Unit name. Defends. And end the string. Attack. And then it says the fight begins. Attack. Defend. Lamau defends. Ooh, it doesn't reset it. Menu base, option selected equals 1. There we go. That should fix that. So now it goes back to defaulting on attack. So then I go over here, defend, attack, good. Attack, defend. Now it's back on attack, good. I've been thinking about, thank you. I've been thinking about making it, kind of like Undertale, where it's like the bullet hell stuff, but at the same time, I don't want it to be like, you act or spare or anything. I don't know. I really like the bullet hell mechanics of Undertale and Deltarune-esque stuff. I just feel like if I do it, everyone's gonna go like, You're doing Undertale! Can you suggest something that might help? Yeah, sure. What do you got? You know, wait, I should move that from out in front of the chat window. I moved it earlier and then just never set it back. I can move it like down to here, I think. If you don't want to be an Undertale clone, add something new. Yeah, that's true. Like, it's always the thing of like, if you're wanting to... Ooh, so many feather messages. If you're wanting it to not be called a clone, you gotta add something new to it. But then, like... You had the same issue? Yeah. It's like the thing where people like to generalize games. And so, like, What's an example? There's, like, the people who will just call your game in a pixel art indie game about, like, depression, indie platformer about depression or whatever, yet there's only, like, 3 of those. It really... That at least are mainstream. Like, sure, there's, like, thousands of indies. I'm sure there's a lot that fit that, but... See, you did something unique? Exactly. Like, bringing a bit of unique flavor into there is good. I don't want to ask what you did specifically that was unique, because then I don't want you to think like I'm stealing your ideas or whatever. Even if you did tell me, I probably wouldn't be able to steal it, because things are pretty... Unless if you just tell me verbatim, but like... I don't know. Okay, so wait. I'm gonna move this over here. Well, if it fits more mine than yours, so I'll tell. All right. And all of these are in battle draw script. Where? Go to issue. Oh. var I. Go to issue. Are these all loop issues? For var j. That fixed, like, all of them? What the hell? Then cutscene scripts. I don't know. Whatever. That's fine. I don't need that one. I took 2 games and mixed their mechanics. I took Earthbound Battles with Paper Mario Combat. Actually, you know what's funny? Earlier I had I had references for like how to make battle mechanics work. Where's the window? Is this the window? No, that's not the window. Where is it at? There it is. God, did I close everything? I didn't. Good. No, that's not it. Shoot. Where's it at? Where did it go? Well, that's the plan. Still need to iron out bugs still? Yeah. I feel like there's always that. There's always something else. You know? Still, yeah, hold on, wait, look at this. I had, like, references pulled up earlier. And in there I had, Deltarune, obviously. But then I also had, Paper Mario. I do know there's a game that I feel like is similar in this vein that I really don't want to talk about, because I feel like then I just... Like, especially with streaming. What's it called? Heartbound? Yeah. If you've been on like Twitch for a bit and you're like in the software development category, you've probably seen Pirate Software. But still, I'm not wanting to like copy his deal or whatever, but you know, it is something. I don't entirely know what I want with my battle system. I'm just trying to get it like sorted out so that there can be a battle system. I know there are other, like, what else is there? There's, for as horrible as a game as people said it was, Yick? What is it called? Yick? Yeah, for my main's attack, you do like the hammer move. Gotcha. Wow, delay? Was there a delay on stream for like the chat message? I don't know. Hopefully it's not too delayed. For you it is? Okay. But it was Yick or Y2K, yeah. That's what everyone calls it, but like it has like a super longer title. A postmodern RPG. Yeah, that one. That ridiculous, crazy long name. What else? What else is kind of similar to this kind of vibe that I'm going for? I don't know, honestly. Amori, I wouldn't say maybe. Mario Luigi, yep. Mario Luigi. I was about to say Amori, but Amori doesn't have like the minigame stuff in between fights. It just has... It is literally just a straight up RPG. Combat is essentially the same as Earthbound, I think. It's just animated differently. And there's different moves. I don't know. I don't want it to be... It is pretty. It is pretty. 100%, like... No shit towards Amori for me. Like, it's pretty. I know a lot of people get on its case for being like, I don't know, oh, it's supposed to be spooky, but like I don't care. I don't think a lot of games that like whatever if a game doesn't scare you and it's meant to scare you, like who cares? As long as you're having fun with it. I don't get scared often at all, but I still love horror games. What else am I trying to do? I did the HP offset stuff. Good. You know what I should do? I should make a function to draw health bars. No, don't worry about the distractions. If anything, like, I stream to talk, you know? This is a side thing, where if, this is the side thing, okay? The programming can be put off to the side for me to focus on, like, talking to chat. Although, like, yeah, I would like to get the game done eventually. I don't expect it to be finished anytime soon. Like, it's a side hustle, you know? Streaming is the real thing I'm focused on. Am I able to make, like, a function battle draw script? I'm gonna do function draw health bar. Shoot, what am I doing? Okay. Then it needs X1, X2, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. And if I copy this, health. I'm on the fence about one thing for my game. I can't tell if it's a good or bad idea. Ever have that? Yeah. I've had that. For sure. I know back when I was in, like, high school, I had, like, a game jam that I was doing, and my teammates were like, hey, we should program this in. We should make it so that, like, our main character can have, like... They were wanting to do a thing where you were able to take an enemy, and every enemy in the game would have, like, an ability, and then you would be able to consume the enemy to gain that ability. And since I was, like, the main programmer for the project, I was like, no, that's horrible. That's horrible from, like, a program. Yeah, like Kirby. Like Kirby, exactly. I didn't even think about Kirby, but practically like Kirby. And I was like, no, this sounds horrible for me. I don't want to program this. But they kept on trying to convince me, and I was like, maybe I might be able to. I'm glad I did not. I'm glad I did not do that. Like, at this point, yeah, no. That's ridiculous. My idea isn't that bad. I mean, that's good. I died good, you know? Oh. I'm... For the game jam, we didn't even win. We were nowhere close to winning. And it wasn't even because I was the only programmer or anything. Like, I was okay. There was just there was, like, one project that I was like, sheesh, they went off. Figure that laugh... Pickle. Picture that last chat in a laughing tone. Yeah. I can imagine. I can imagine, yeah. X1. Okay, hold on. Here's what I'm gonna do. Delete all of this. Y1. X2. Y2. But then these two need +1, +1. Copy this. Paste it here. You know what would have been worse? What would have been worse? That is the way it is, right? It's like white is in the top left, red is on the bottom right. Top left, bottom right, yeah. If they had you lift the enemy and use it as a gun, that would have been harder. I think... Okay. The lifting mechanic would have been the hardest part. Using it as a gun probably wouldn't have been that hard, if I'm thinking about it, because, like... being able to interact with anything is, like, the hardest part. And then keeping the enemy above your head, that would be weird. But getting it to shoot and, like, emit, like, a particle... Think ammo counts. Oh, you need to consider the ammo count as well? Okay, no. That... no, I'm not dealing with that. That one sounds legitimately horrible. No, sir. No, sir. Not for me. You see? Yeah. Ammo counts, God. Yeah, that would have been horrible. That would have been horrible. Or actually, no, I don't need that, I don't think. That can go there. That can go there. You know what I'm gonna try and do? Draw health bar. 100, 100, 200, 200. Or actually, no, I'll go for like 110. And the health ratio is 10. It doesn't really matter. Play this. What about reloading or aiming? Okay, if you have a gun, reloading is fine. Aiming, though... Aiming, I'd say just thinking about the ammo count is the hardest. Reloading is just, like... Or no, reload... Ooh. I don't know. Aiming would probably be fine. Like, if you could just use your mouse to aim, that would probably be fine, because you could just find the direction... Like, find the point where the enemy's gun starts, find the point where your mouse is, and then point the gun towards there. And then make the bullet fly out in that direction. That doesn't sound too bad. But then again, what do I know? But yeah, like, reloading and ammo counts, that you need to, like, keep track of that in the enemy, and then use the player to shoot with the enemy. I don't know. It's too much. Too much to think about. Okay, so if I type in 1... Exactly? Yeah. So the red is perfectly fine. The red is exactly how it needs to be. The X, though, here, the white bar, I need to take into account the X2. And then make it smaller depending on what X1 was. X1 plus... How do I do this? Okay. X1 plus X2 minus X1 times underscore H ratio. And so then that way, that's full because I set it to 1, but what happens if I set it to 0? It should just be the tiny sliver, right? It is a red bar now. What if I put it at, like, 0.1? Okay, that has that little bit of white there. That's good. So now I should be able to go into here. Paste this. HP ratio. I don't need width. Well, I need it for there, but past that, I don't need it everywhere else. Copy this. Paste it here, comma. Comment all of this out. Draw the health bar. Okay, it's working. It is working! That's great. That's good. That's good. That's good. So now, instead of going through the entire ordeal of trying to figure out specifically how I'm supposed to, like, align everything, I can figure out where I want the rectangle to be. You gotta go. Have a nice day and good luck. Thank you! You too. You have a great day, man. Draw a health bar. Okay. Okay, so cut this. HP ratio. And then this should be good, right? And that works. Okay, great. That has made a lot of things way simpler. What happens if I do this in the middle of the fight? It still fits perfectly. Yes, that works. Your game has been saved. Yes, it all works. Quick game. Yes. Okay. Amazing. All right, you know what? I think that's a good place to call it for today. I didn't have anything planned for today, but I did get more of the battle system working. It actually doesn't just kill yourself. It actually tries to work with you to choose what you're going to do. The bottom text bar is working for the boss fights, which is good. Still, whatever. I'm going to call it there. Thank you guys for checking me out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your guys' day. And I'll see you guys later. Yippee!